How to activate auto shoot in Fire Kirin games. First of all, open the Fire Kirin app on your device and log into your account. Next, enter any game where shooting is involved. Once the game has loaded, look for the control panel at the left of the screen. Here you will see different buttons for firing, changing guns, or aiming. Now locate the button labeled Auto or an icon that resembles an automatic fire symbol. Tap on this Auto button to activate auto shoot. When it is active, your weapon will start firing continuously without needing to tap repeatedly. To stop auto shooting, simply tap the auto button again and it will turn off. Auto shoot is a great feature if you want to play hands-free or focus more on aiming and strategy rather than tapping constantly. Now you know how to activate auto shoot in Fire Kirin games. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.